This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, how was the expiry day? Hope it was a nice one. I've been keep guiding on this expiry level based on the open interest. Hope you made some good profits. Let's see what happened to the market today and what is the view for the coming days. So you can see the thumbnail. Bears is saying that I am tired, I will wait. There's the only way for the bears, because there is no way that bears can get an opportunity in the near days. Maybe slowly we are just they're getting a chance, but big chance will come after some time only, because a lot of things are there which is giving the indication for that. So let's see, and this is for the 7th May for tomorrow. Before the disclaimer, the views whatever I mentioned in this video is my personal opinion, and any loss taken based on my views in this video, I am not responsible. Please consult a financial advisor before taking any trades. So the first thing is the FA data open interest. If you see FAs, actually they are not done any great thing actually today. Just they cut down their position by around 2,500 contracts, and stock options they kept as it is. Call option they increased, and the put option also they slightly increased. That's what they have done actually. And also in the cash market also they have added some buying actually. They made some buying actually. Yesterday what was this one? They bought again. So they just given a U-turn now, giving a confusing stage for the traders, investors who are monitoring this data. So what's happening? Countries they've been selling for 6 days, and now suddenly they're bought now. So are they reversing the trend? That's what everybody is asking. But it's not like that. They'll get some opportunity. They'll buy different stocks. So it's not the same stocks they'll buy. Possibly they're buying in some different stocks. Overall, they are bearish now, because the open interest. We see the FI data futures. They cut down the position significantly. It's like bottom case, like a very border one. They are not having any long or short, and also they increased the stock futures significantly by cutting down this index futures. They bought the stock futures actually. So they're not bearish, neither bullish or something. Okay, but the overall in the cash position, they built up whatever the build up they had seen, and they're having some hedges. That's it. So in case any big move you're expecting on downside, don't expect anything as of now, for time being at least. And in case of clients, if you see here, they big short is 1,25,000, and the put shorts they have, and the call options short they have 71,000, and the futures long they have 40,000. And propel traders they short here in the futures index, and then both almost like equal, is like a straddle they have possibly, and stock futures here 1,10,000. They're not building anything much actually, slightly they build this. So this is a position, and the long short ratio also, if you see here, it has come down to bottom. Every time the long short ratio coming around 50% level, the market is reversing actually. Okay, so because don't expect any big move on the downside, at least for the next 1 week. Let me see the what's the other data telling you. And in case of DIs, if you see, they are selling some small amount, but absorbed by the FIs actually, because everybody is waiting for the bearish move on the downside. They'll frustrate anybody. If you see Nifty yesterday, I've been telling also that this is the bearish engulfing pattern. What you're seeing here, the high which made is around 15,336. So this high may not be broken on the upside in the near future at least. Maybe whatever the high you are getting here, 15,000, you may go. That's it. I don't see anything more than that. That's what I feel. Because if you see here, there's a cloud is there. We got support consolidation. Whenever the price is inside the consolidation, the cloud, it is doing consolidation. And if you break above this high, which is around 15,000 level, then little grip can be gone actually for the bears. But the maximum what we expect is 15,320, the bearish engulfing which happened in the last year March, something like that I'm expecting. Let us see, because now every is a big consolidation zone. Also I told you like about the Nifty and Nifty 50 equal. Okay, if you see both them, we have to see almost same level actually, then only we can see some turnaround actually. So for the time Nifty will go up, and Nifty equal will come down, and around 15,500 something level, that's the level where they can meet both together. And if you see this also, like it is a C consolidation but giving a breakout. If you see here, today it given a breakout. Nifty 50 equal is given a breakout. So possibly that Nifty doesn't want to correct as of now. It'll take some time, because till the time both doesn't meet, Nifty and Nifty 50 equal doesn't meet together, you will never get some trending move on the other side. For downside to come, they have to meet together at one point of time. Then only the correction will come. So as of now, you can see very clearly there is a big gap of almost 1,500 and 1,700 points gap is there. So that don't expect any big correction as of now. It will take time. At least for 1 week, next 1 week, there is no correction you can expect. And also our data also showing the same thing. Let us see the data also. And let us see the next week expiry 12th May. What is the data all about? If you see highest open starting from 32,000 put, 243 rupees trading, and next 34,000, 33,000 call is there. So the traders are building the short triangle of 30,000 put and 33,000 call. That's what they're doing actually. So there is no point in getting into a shorting opportunity, buying a put option. It is waste of money. Okay, so whenever you get opportunity on the momentum, you can buy and make some money, but otherwise buying naked put and holding expecting the big correction will come, then the money can be lost. This is a 100% guarantee. And if you see here, so 30,000 is a very good support here. Highest open interest you can see 4.3 lakhs, and in case of Nifty you can see the major additions 15,000 call is there. After that is 14,700 put and 14,600 put. If you see here, 2 puts are sold and 1 call is sold. Okay, 2:3, 2:1 ratio. So that way you can get a very good support of 14,700 put, 14,600 put, and only 1 call is being sold for every 2 puts. Something like this is being created. Situation is ratio spread is being created now. So here also like you can, but in case of Bank Nifty, you can see the call options being sold. You can see here call options are being sold 3, but 1 put. So this way the Bank Nifty position is being created actually. So it is being contra actually. Both are working on a different style. So whenever you're trading in Nifty, focus on Nifty. When you're trading Bank Nifty, focus on Bank Nifty. Anything opposite view you can have and trade on other side, then it's a big disaster. Then let us see the open interest built up actually. If you see here very clearly 30,000 put option, you can see out of 4.9 lakhs, 4.4 lakhs put option. So clearly there is support 30,000 levels. So you can just keep on shorting the 30,000 put option at a very good rate. It's around I think 240 rupees something, correct? It was there available, which you saw here. So naked selling, if you have margin, then you can sell for 240 rupees this put option. That's a very good deal actually. And in case of 33,000 call, there's next highest open interest on the upside actually. So 33,000 call also, if there is any gap up, then 30,000 call can be shorted. This is the only opportunity. 30,000 put and 30,000 call. So short triangles are very good ideal trading opportunity. And 32,500 also is being shorted. If you see here put option, out of 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs is a 32,500 put option. So there is less chance that we are going to break 32,500 actually this week series. That's what it looks like. Already the put option is built up actually. And also PC also is indicating above 1. And in case of Nifty, if you see here 14,700 put, you can see 50-50 call and put was there. 50-50 means very clear support is there at 14,700. So next support is see even 15,000 call, you cannot see much selling actually. You can see here 15,000 call. Where is the 15,000 call? I cannot see anything. 15,000 call here. Okay, 15,000 call is here. 19.4 lakhs and 9. So 15,000 call people are selling on the upside, and on the downside 14,700 short strategy is being taken care. And next is okay. Let us see the expiry also, month end expiry also, how it is working actually. There are also something interesting actually. If you see 28,000 put very high built up, 30,000 very high built up. Is it so people are, what happened is whenever many people tell social media also, if you see okay, in case you want to trade in options, buy month end expiry. So people buy the month end expiry, possibly 28,000 expiry, 20,000 put option. People are buying and keeping it, expecting a big correction will come and they'll make big money, and buying this put option expecting the time decay, the GTR decay will be very very slow. But that will not happen. Maybe you get opportunity very rarely, but for that every month you buy and keep the put option, then you are going to lose money. What are the money you are going to make is not so much. Even if you get opportunity to get some put option when somebody is buying and keeping it, say they bought for 100 rupees, even if you get 200 rupees, they'll just exit immediately, because they've been losing on the buying put option several times. Once they get opportunity, they'll just think whenever they get opportunity, they'll be happy with making very small money itself. So don't buy put option naked and keep it. Always hedge and make some money. That's the only way you can make money, and also margin is very less. And 30,000 put option is the next highest put built option you can see. So 30,000 is a very good support for monthly expiry. So looks like we are not going to break 30,000 levels in the near future, at least for the another 1 week. At least for 1 week view is 30,000 is a very good support. And in case of Bank Nifty also, if you see 14,500 is a very good support. 24 lakhs of put is being sold, and next is 15,000 on the upside, so 13,500. So 14,500 is a very good support for Nifty actually. So there is no point in just waiting for the correction. The correction will come, but will come very soon, because FIs, and you have to build the position on the shorts. They're not still build any short positions, and also everybody is waiting for the bearish mood, and if everybody is bearish, market cannot give the opportunity to make money on the bearish side. So everybody has to turn bullish now, thinking that whatever be happening in the economy, about the corona or deaths or cases, whatever the things, economy will have a problem, everything they will forget everything and start becoming bullish, and market will go up again. Then only the market can correct. If people start, everybody is thinking of bearish, market cannot go bearish. That's what the things I'm just expecting. And if you see the position, overall position by Bank Nifty also, if you see now, Bank Nifty has turned bullish. Bullish positions are created for Bank Nifty, and the PCR also gone above 1. So 1.07. So in the case when Bank Nifty is above 1, so there is no point in becoming bearish, at least so this week expiry as of now. So now the bullish position will start creating, and the market can move up, because today being expiry, the bullish position got created actually. And in case of Nifty, if you see, it is ulta. Okay, now what happened is now 17 lakh, 18 lakhs of bearish position got built up actually in case of Nifty. So bullish, Bank Nifty is bullish and Nifty is bearish. So that's what situation is now as of now for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So trading, two things already, the traders have a problem of handling the negative issues and what are the problems around them, and then trading bullish is another problem. And here also one problem, Bank Nifty is bullish and Bank Nifty is bearish. Okay, this is another problem. So you should be very, very careful with handling this stress level for Nifty Bank traders. So just handle only one and be just mastering that. And overall open interest, if you see all the expiry put together, so as of now it is like 1.3 crores of bullish position for Nifty and 3.4 lakhs of bearish position for Bank Nifty. In this case of all expiry put together, because this includes the current week expiry, so there is no point in seeing this now. And in case of PCR, so Bank Nifty is bullish and Nifty is slightly bearish. So tomorrow, in case if Nifty is bouncing to above 1, then the short covering can come, and the Nifty can bounce like anything on the upside. So be careful with Nifty, because the Bank Nifty can drag on the upside. So here in case of Nifty, there is a good support around 14,700 level, as we saw here. And in case of Bank Nifty, there's a good support for 32,700 level. So in case the move comes here, we are going to get this zone is very, very supportive. Actually, 32,500 level is very good support. So in case of any fall, everything will be bought into above 32,500. So in case of straddle, so actually straddle, if you see here what happened for this today's expiring, those who taken short straddle 1,335, now they are closing at 900 rupees, almost like a 435 points gain they got. Okay, naked short straddle who were taken. So this time also, like we expecting that they have been in loss actually here, but they made profit now on the closing, waiting for that opportunity. They made profit here, 400 points naked short straddle. And here also, if you see 14,950 short straddle were taken at 362, they closed at 236. So it's a small profit considering the risk involved in the naked short straddle, but still they're getting a profit here. So let us see for the next week expiry. So in case of next week expiry, if you see here, the short straddle level is 336 at 14,700. So on the upside, staying above 14,700, we can see almost easily 15,000 levels, which is 14,700 plus 336. 15,000 levels can be seen without any issues. But 14,700 is a key support level. And in case of Bank Nifty, 33,000, 1,300 is 34,500. Okay, like adding 1,000 points, 34,000 easy is possible in case of Bank Nifty, sustaining above 33,000 and below the 32,000 level. So 32, 34, this is a level what you can expect in the Bank Nifty in the coming days. In the range, what you can see, 2,000 points range is there, but intraday a lot of moves you can see easily. On any negative news will touch 32,500, 32,400, and then on this suddenly the vaccination or any hopes, FI is buying some news on that will take the Nifty to 33,500 easily. This kind of range you can see, and every day you can, last week you can see so much of range of 1,000 points every day actually. And let's see the next one, Lakshman Rekha. For the current week, it was like a flat actually as of now. Only tomorrow one day is there for this week to complete, but as of now the weekly expiry was weekly midpoint level was given a flat return for actually Nifty and Bank Nifty. And Lakshman Rekha also is not given anything great as of now for this month. As of now, only 900 points for Bank Nifty and Nifty also 190 points. If you're taken a strategy for shorting the by shorting futures and buying call option, the premium itself will give you the premium decay will not able to help you in capturing this moment actually. So the as of now, the Lakshman Rekha this month is not giving any great returns. So possibly consolidation week. This is what we can see from this Lakshman Rekha strategy. So pivot point also you can see like the market is reversing for Bank Nifty 33,000 is there. So maximum is 34,000. As we saw 33,000 call option strategy is 1,000 points. So maximum is we can see 34,000. Already we made some high here, 1, 2, third high, fourth high. If 34,000 we hit this pivot point high and then reverse, then easily we can see 32,000 levels. After that the fall can come after that. So maybe possible that in these 1,000 points more the people more people become bullish and start inputting money in the this mutual funds or investments, everything. Everybody will start bullish and then market will start the reversal. We are not forming any swing high, just instead of consolidation actually. And in case of Nifty, if you see here also like a lot of hurdles are there 15,000 level. If we cross 15,000 level, it will be a big achievement for Nifty. But we have to see because a lot of selling pressure is there on the upside. If we touch 15,000, another selling pressure will come for the Nifty. So I'm not expecting to cross our 15,000 levels with this current scenario, and reality should catch up in the coming days. So we have to wait for there is no other option actually. And the pivot point for tomorrow will be like for Nifty future is a 14,842 long breakout and short breakout 14,698. And for Bank Nifty it is 33,223 and for short breakout 32,685 for the Bank Nifty futures. And for the spot level pivot point is 14,693 for Nifty and 32,783 for Bank Nifty. So above this pivot point is bullish and below this pivot point is bearish. So we are almost like closed above this pivot point. So we should see some good positive move tomorrow also possibly, because there is no much of any negative astro views as of now. Let us see, because what data also indicating the same thing actually. In case every dip is being bought actually, every dip is being bought by the FOMO investors, thinking that they are expecting another big move from here on to 20,000, 25,000 levels in Nifty. That's what the expectation. But even consolidation also is a correction. Let's see, Nifty is not giving any way out for the people to giving bearish move actually. And in case of ratios, if you see the Nifty P ratio 30.82, almost staying in the same level for several days. As soon as the results are coming out, this should be keep some small fluctuations. And in case of Bank Nifty, 22.4 is the P ratio. And in case of VIX, also small change, only 0.33%, not much of change. If the VIX is started going about 25, then that is the reason, that is the only clue now you can get for any big moves on the downside. Till the time you have to be waiting only. There is no other option for the bears. So cash market data, if you see here, it is bullish only. Now the 20 moving average started going on the upside, and all the stocks prices are trading about 20 moving average. So it is clearly the broader market is also bullish. So there is no issues on that as of now. Now it is bullish for the broader market. Now coming to the charts. So this is chart you can see here. Nifty 50 equal is what you have to keep on monitoring. If you are trading Nifty and want to be bearish, then wait for the opportunity. So where you have to just these two things to meet, 50 and Nifty 50 and Nifty 50 equal. This is what you have to Nifty equal weight. And in case of Bank Nifty, if you see, we just about to we don't have enough space for the cloud, Ichimoku cloud as to broken above 33,700, 34,000. That's the time only we can see some good up move can come on the Bank Nifty. Till the time, every rise will be used for shorting only. And you can see here the Ichimoku cloud, they formed red in the future Ichimoku cloud, but this has to form green also. And we are trading inside the weekly candle. Last week candle only we are trading actually. We are not doing any breakout here, either above or below the previous week high and low. So, and also today, if you see here what's happened here, we have been trading in just between a small range here entire day, because everybody is expecting some trending day. We're just trading between the go long level and the previous day high, nothing else. Entire day we've been trading in the same level, and every dip used for the shorting the put option, and every rise was using the shorting the call option. So that the 32,800 level which I gave you, hope you worked. And 32,700 also a straddle. In spite of the volatility move, it gave some profit actually. And futures also, if you see here, it went below from the morning. We went below the futures, this VWAP, and after that by around 12:15 we started trading above the VWAP. So first half below VWAP, second half above the VWAP. This was the strategy for the banking. So sudden dips came actually to just to panic the traders, and also the reduce the premium. This is the only thing it had done actually. And here you can see the big move came here by around 3 o'clock. After that, sudden up move on the upside. This is what happened, nothing else actually. For the entirely the day for the option traders, the premium decay happened, nothing else. Hope you like the video. In case you like the video, subscribe, like this channel. Thank you.